The East Broadtop has reached a significant milestone. Steam is back, passenger trains are running, we're giving guided tours. While we're celebrating that, it's important to remember that a lot of hard work has gone into getting us to this point.
You have a coalition, really, of three components: the Kowalczyk family, the Friends of the East Broadtop, and the EBT Foundation, which together have worked as partners to systematically bring the railroad back.
When we started late in 2019, it was to the point at which we could barely move a locomotive out of the roundhouse without fear of derailing it. We started that almost immediately with our own employees and then with the help of the Friends. The first work session after the announcement in March, I think we had 60 people here.
We started putting ties in basically from here through the yard to get us basically out of the roundhouse and down the track. We began here and we worked all the way to the picnic grove, 4.5 miles away. We have about 11,000 new ties. We had to surface and line everything that was out there, including the replacement of a bridge. We had to rebuild every crossing, as well as repair some of the fills.
When I got here, the 16 was mostly taken apart. That's when we started seeing some of the boiler work we would have to do. So if you compound all that boiler work in together, we probably have every bit of a year into just that. We started with an empty stall with almost no tools in it. And to where we're at now, to have an engine running properly and being rebuilt like that, that's monumental.
We had a lot of work to do on the existing passenger fleet. Worked on air brakes and making sure the trucks and everything, the wheel sets were good. New coaches.
We had multiple buildings that were sunk into the ground 2-3 feet that had rotted off the bottom and had to be jacked up and squared up and new foundations put underneath them. We had to shim all the line shafts and adjust the level of all the different shafts in order for them to operate smoothly. We were also able to build a new coal dock, which is a replacement of an historical structure that was built exactly the way the original was.
While all of this construction work was happening, we wanted to start running trains again. We got the trains to the point where they could operate safely, so we opened the doors again and started offering special events, train rides, excursions, tours, the whole gamut, and really reintroducing the East Broadtop to the public.
The East Broadtop represents more than trains and railroading. It's an invaluable national treasure.
We have a moral responsibility to future generations to both preserve and interpret the EBT.
So far, we've succeeded far beyond what we ever reasonably expected to happen.
Really, that's just step one. It took us 3 years to get there. Now we've got the base of what we need. Now it's time to do bigger things.